Today's program is a tribute to Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal with our guest Ahmed Hamad.
Iqbal says ego is something which needs to be trained according to the will of the creator. He says that there are two ways to reach out to reality. The first one is science, for that matter the philosophy itself. The second one is the religious experience. The universe we live in is very interesting and everybody is bound to think about it, and there is a triangle of man, God and the universe.